How to post pictures on Pinterest. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can post pictures on Pinterest. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to post pictures on Pinterest, you just have to go ahead and then first launch the Pinterest app. Once you launch the Pinterest app over here, you want to make sure that you are logged into your account. And after you are logged in, what you want to do is tap on the plus icon from the bottom of the screen and just choose the option called Pins. Once you select the option called Pins, you can just choose any of the photos that you want to upload. So it could be a design, it could be anything else that you've clicked recently. And once you've selected your photos, just tap on the next button on the top right. Now you have to give your pin a title, so just give it any of the title that you want, and after that you have to simply enter the description. So let me just go ahead and choose a title, and you can also choose a description over here. Once you choose a title and description, if you have a destination website, you can add that as well, but ignoring that, just tap on the next button on the top right hand side and it'll ask you to save it to a board. If your board is private, your photos and pins that you add within that board is also going to remain private. If your board is public, all of the other boards are also going to get public. So you can just go ahead and select any of the boards where you wish to add and just tap on the save button, and once you do so, you will have successfully saved your pins to your board. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then actually post pictures on Pinterest. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.